G'day guys, Justin from Battleforged Gaming and welcome to another BFG quick tip. In this episode I'm going to be showing you how to do the weathering like that of the weathering on my Stormhawk Interceptor. The first thing you want to do is pick a colour that you want to be the weathering of your armour. In this instance, I use Corvus Black for my Blood Angels, but you may want to use a Mournfang Brown or even a Rhinox Hide. The dark grey just contrasts very well for my red armour. The section we're going to work on is the gun housing for the Las Talon. First, you want to tear off a small amount of sponge. This is from an everyday household sponge, and this is how we will be getting our shapes and effects of our weathering. I like to use some reverse tweezers for holding your sponge, as it can get quite tiring using regular old tweezers and pinching them together the whole time. Next, take the paint that you want to use for your weathering. In this case, it is Corvus Black for myself, and load up your sponge. I then like to dab it on a spare piece of paper, like the instructions in the background here, and then start to gently apply it to the edges of your armor. You want to focus mainly on the edges, as these are the areas that would get the most wear and tear, and not the flats of the panel. Next, take a brush and your chosen paint and fill in some of those sponge areas, helping define the chips. The final step with my Corvus Black, I like to apply some scratches. In this case, on the Stormhawk Interceptor, they will all be from the front of the aircraft to the back, so they will be in one direction. If you are painting a tank, you may want these scratches to go in multiple directions, or even the armor of a Marine. To help define your chips and scratches, I take the secondary edge highlight of whatever model I'm painting. For this, it is a mixture of Fire Dragon Bright and Evil Sun Scarlet, but depending on your model, this will change. And then I edge highlight around the scratches and the chips. Finally, using the same color you used in the previous step, we will apply similar scratches to those of our heavily weathered areas. This will help add a different layer of weathering to your model. With that step complete, you have finished weathering your model. Hopefully you have found this tutorial helpful. If you have, please drop us a like. If you want to keep up with future tutorials, hit that sub button. Catch you later, guys, and take it easy.